Within the Cheshire Achieve project, we have 4 subcontracts. One of those contracts is with Change a Change, a small social enterprise. They provide forklift truck driver training, horticultural courses, IT courses. We have Barrymore Social Enterprise. They also provide IT skills and employability. And we have Salford Foundation, who provide a range of services from mentoring, volunteering to finding jobs, helping offenders to get ID, and motivation, most importantly, motivating and getting offenders to be committed to obtaining the skills to get them into employment. What we want to achieve as a partnership with Salford Foundation is for them to meet the needs of offenders, specific needs of offenders. For instance, mentoring, volunteering, getting employment. They're giving us services that we as a trust and a project can't provide, the specialist services. The challenges we face as a prime contractor are managing the diverse contracts that we have. Providers may have different cultures, different policies and practices, in some instances different targets, and what we have to do is ensure that we have common aims. And we do that through good communication, regular contract meetings, and then underperformance is managed by action planning and variations in contracts.